Well, today has been one hell of a day. I can't believe how much I've not done. Oh God, I've been at it quite a while today now. Anyway, I've managed to get them runners in for drawers without having anything to go to regarding the runners. It's more or less impossible, isn't it? It is, especially when you're building a drawer as well. I built the drawer, look. You know what I mean? The idea was, at first, to get two pieces of wood, you know, just for the sake of argument, them two, you know, side by side. And then on the side of the drawer, just put a strip, so as it slides in between. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I could even have had a stop, so as when the drawer gets to the end, it'd stop. But no, because I had them, I am not joking you, it took me nearly 4 hours. Just to line them up. Oh, and build that. Yeah, I built a drawer. But it works, it goes in. I have the front putting it. Right, I've been on with the fridge for about 2 hours now. I've cleaned it all up. You know, like you do, but I've had doors off and everything. I've put the light oak in the door. What I'm going to do now, and for anybody who doesn't know about these, including me, right, you've got your exhaust obviously there. You've got to think this is on its side. So if you're looking at it, this is to the back left as you're looking at it. Right, this is your spark and your ignition for your gas, etc, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a look at it, because look at all the rust on it. There's no way I can't see that light in myself, and I don't know if there's a spark. I can't press it, can I, and look at the same time. I'll get Sandra. Right, I've got my mucker. Haha. Right, go on, Sam. Ah, there's a spark. Hang on.
Eh?
Hang on a minute, Sam. I don't know where this bloody thing is now. It's easier to see what phone you see. Right, go on. Yeah, there's a spark. Well, the spark's working okay. So I'm just going to clean it up, and the jet, there where gas comes out, it seems very clean and everything. This looks alright. So yeah, you can go in, Sandra, if you want. She doesn't like to be on camera.
Kick it off.
Right, I think fridge is okay. The burners where the gas comes out, that's clear. There's like a thing in there when the gas is lit. Oh, when gas is lit, it keeps the gas going. It's like a sensor, you know what I mean. Anyway, that seems clean. Anyway, I've got to give everything a good clean. I've put the thing back on. Right, I'm going to try and offer it in and see what happens. Right, I've been putting the bad boy in for ages. It'll go, but the problem is this is too high. It's too high for this. And I've done it exact. Right, after inspection, it's that. Where are we? There we are, look. This. There, look. Needs cutting out there. So, and also, I don't know whether this will make any difference or not. Foot. I think we'll get past that, to be honest. But what we'll do, we'll put a bit away for that bracket, that's all that door on. And there we go. Oh. think I've tried to do things too early and I should have left it well tomorrow. Bastard. Or even left, no, I couldn't leave the door off, could I? Right. Having problems, not major really, but the thing is it's getting a bit late now and I don't want to be using any power tools. What it is, this corner, can you see where it's been catching? That is that there, because it's all dinted. Yeah, anyway, there. Yeah, that's been catching here. So it needs cutting there, and you know, what it is, when I've gone around with router, it's made it rounded, rather than square. And same at this side as well. So, I'm going to leave it now while tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll get the fridge in, get it wired up, gassed up, etc. And I'll get this drawer in. In fact, hopefully tomorrow I could be cutting work surface. Oh, I've done that. Put this top on. But all these are removable. I'm going to put some board there. I know I don't need to, but the cooker's here, you see, the hob, and with a wire, I don't want any damage really. I know the sockets are here and the hob's there, but there's a glass lid, so there won't be any threat of any burning. Yeah, so even though it's been a boat lake of a day, it's been quite productive-ish. Right, I'm going to carry on tomorrow. Well, hallelujah, got the fridge in. That weren't hard, because it's not actually lined up, but it's in anyway, it's done. Right, at the moment now what I'm trying to do is, well, put the gas pipes in. I'm going to have to, I forgot to cut an hole back there for the gas pipe for the fridge. I'm going to have to cut an hole here for the gas pipe for the hob, and it will come through this one as well. There's normally a shelf here, isn't there? I've had problems again this morning with the drawer. Anyway, that's sorted. There it is. Can we zoom? There, look at that little bad boy. So, it's cool. Yeah, chuffed about that. It's in, thank God. Right, we'll give a bit of an update shortly. As you can see, got drawer in now. Loads of writing in it, like you do. Done the gas pipes ready for Dave. Dave Mini Maniac's coming Saturday. Because I'm not, I know how to do it, I'm just not confident enough. It's gas in it when all said and done. I think this is going to be too short, so I might have to put a new pipe in. Right, I am on with the electrics now. I took loads of pictures, so shouldn't be a problem. Right, soldier on. Right, I've got the 240 connected up. As I said a couple of days ago, I didn't check to see if there's any power coming through this, and there ain't. I just put it on a block and put multimeter on. There's nothing coming through. Now, I don't know if, well, it should go through a relay, shouldn't it? I know you only get power, don't you, if under load, when you go in a fair old clip. So I'm just wondering whether to just take it round block, put multimeter up here or something, and just keep my eye on it. I don't know. Unless I wait for Dave on a Saturday. He's more knowledgeable than me. Right, what am I going to do now? Oh yeah, I'm going to make a lid for this. Right, what I'm going to do before any of you turn around after and say, oh, you use 2 pieces, I am actually going to use 2 pieces, because simple reason is then I don't have to take the work surface out or the kitchen sink or anything to get to the hurdy-gurdies underneath. What I'll do is lift one half out and the other half will come out with it as well. So I'm not too bothered about that. Right, I've built that. It basically just drop it down and it comes off. Simple as. And pulls out. You know what I mean? Pulls out. You can get to the workings underneath. There you go. That one comes out on its own as well, in case you want to get to the electric part. It's just future maintenance, if you want to call it this, because I've got a funny feeling about this fridge. I think I was just wasting my time putting it in, but time will tell. Right, Dave's coming, like I've mentioned before, he's coming on Saturday to do gas, so I think I'm going to have to crack on with this work surface, worktop, get the hob cut out, get it all ready, and then I'll bank doors on. I mean, it's putting doors on, what can go wrong? Oh yeah, it's me, anything. Right,